So let's see if we can wrap this up with step 6, Networking Essentials Practice Skills Assessment. So this ties together all of the hands-on that you've learned in the 8 chapters of networking, or excuse me, the 9 chapters of the Networking Essentials course. Don't forget to have your curriculum up in the background. And a lot of the commands that you're going to use are from chapter 8. So you may want to have that running in the background. And for step 6, I've configured the wireless router. I'll just click Save again to make sure that I'm in there. I'm going to close the web browser, and we've got to configure PC1 and LTP1 host. So the first one we'll do is PC1. And it says to configure PC1 with the addressing values shown in the addressing table. So we'll scroll up. For PC1, it was supposed to be 192, we're going to give it a static address, 192.168.1.5. We're going to use this mask and this gateway. 192.168.1.1, that's the default gateway because it's the interface of router 1 that's facing PC1. So I think we're done there. So I'm going to close PC1. I'm going to go to LTP1. And we're going to connect to the wireless network. So let's do PC wireless and connect. And that XYZ WLAN, that's the one that we set up earlier. So I'm going to type connect. We're using WPA2 personal. The pre-shared key was IJKL0123, which is here. Click connect. And then if we close the wireless settings for the LPT1 laptop and go to IP configuration, guess what we see? DHCP was the default, and the laptop has received the first available address, which we set up earlier, 192.168.0.10, with that mask and a default gateway of 0.1, which is the side of the wireless router that faces this network. So we have a successful wireless connection there. And I believe that's all we have to do for LTP1. And if we've done everything correctly, PC1 and LTP1 should be able to connect to the internet. So let's see if we can ping this server here from PC1. If I open up PC1 and go to the command prompt and type ping 198.51.100.100, let's see what we get. Sometimes the first ping may time out a time or two, but then you'll eventually see these. If I press the up arrow key to ping it again, we get all 4 successful pings. So I close that, LTP1, from the laptop that's on a separate network. On the wireless network, we'll go to command prompt and see if we can ping that same server that's out there on the internet somewhere. It could be in Australia or China for all we know in the scenario. The first one timed out simply because sometimes it takes a little while for the devices to learn each other's addresses. But if we ping it again, we get a fully successful ping. All 4 of them were sent, all 4 of them came back. So I'm going to close this, and that concludes Step 6 and the Networking Essentials Practice Skills Assessment for CTI 120.